Welcome to Lively Up Girl Affirmations and Coffee YouTube channel. My name is Linda M. Tonight, I want you to relax. So take off your shoes, get that favorite bathrobe as you prepare for a hot bubble bath. Light that candle, dim the lights, and I will read you a bedtime story as you retire for the evening and drift off to sleep. This story is about a lonely woman who dreams of meeting a wonderful man, and her dreams come true. Will she live happily ever after? Let's find out. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town surrounded by rolling hills and shimmering rivers, there lived a woman named Clara. She was known for her kindness and radiant smile, but within her heart, she felt an emptiness that no amount of tea with friends or cozy nights could fill. Clara longed for companionship, a partner to share her dreams with, someone who could wrap her world in warmth and love. Every night, she would curl up in her soft blankets and gaze at the stars, dreaming of the wonderful man who would whisk her away from her solitude. She envisioned adventures filled with laughter, cozy evenings snuggled together, and whispered secrets under the moonlight. Her heart yearned for love, and although she often felt lonely, she held on to the flutter of hope. One fateful day, Clara's dreams began to unfold before her eyes. She met a charming man named Leo at a local art gallery. He was everything she had dreamed of, gentle yet adventurous, sensitive yet bold. They shared stories, laughter, and moments that felt like stolen treasures. But when their relationship grew deeper, so did Claire's fear. Afraid of vulnerability, she started to fret over every little thing. She questioned his love and her worth, pushing him away with her doubts and insecurities. Despite Leo's attempt to reassure her, Clara's heart, clouded by fear, caused her to ruin what could have been a beautiful relationship. The more she pushed, the further he pulled away, until one day he walked out of her life. Clara watched with regret as her dream turned into a nightmare, longing for the love she had let slip through her fingers. As time passed, Clara realized the depth of her mistakes. She wanted Leo back, but he had already moved on, finding comfort in the arms of another woman. Her heart shattered into a million pieces, and she knew it was time for introspection. Determined, Clara embarked on a journey of self-improvement. She adopted an affirmation routine each morning, whispering words of kindness to herself as she stood in front of the mirror. I am worthy of love. I am strong. I deserve happiness. She even sought professional guidance to help her unravel the tangled threads of her emotions. In her quest for growth, she met another incredible man named Jacob. He was thoughtful and patient, and for a short moment, it seemed the cycle would break. Yet, Claire's fears resurfaced. And before she realized it, she sabotaged this relationship too. With every heartbreak, Claire learned more about herself, but found herself back at square one. The pain of loneliness echoing louder than before. This cycle seemed unending, and as she sat alone one evening, surrounded by remnants of her dreams, she faced an important choice: to sink into despair or to rise and transform her life. Feeling a subtle tug within her, Claire delved deeper, exploring spiritual guidance she had previously overlooked. She began to meditate, attend workshops, and seek connections that nourished her spirit and soul. In doing so, she found peace, understanding, and a connection to something greater than herself. One sunny afternoon, while volunteering at a local charity, she met Mark. He exuded warmth, complimenting her journey towards love. Mark had strong values, a deep bond with his family, and a profound spiritual connection with God. As they spent time together, Claire discovered the beauty of a healthy relationship built on trust, honesty, and genuine love. This time, she felt the fear, but chose not to let it rule her heart. She opened up, sharing her journey, and they nurtured a bond that ran deeper than the surface. The laughter they shared was effortless, the connection flowing like the gentle breeze through the trees. Through all her trials and heartaches, Claire realized that love was a gift that required vulnerability, inner peace, and self-love. She hadn't given up on love, and remarkably, love hadn't given up on her either. As days turned to months, Claire and Mark built a life grounded in understanding and kindness, with all her past mistakes guiding her towards a brighter future. She learned that true love isn't a fairy tale. It's a journey filled with leaps of faith, personal growth, and most importantly, the courage to keep trying. And so, Claire's heart, once lonely and broken, bloomed again, embracing love in its purest form, where two souls could grow together, hand in hand, as they ventured into a beautiful tomorrow. The moral of this story is that love is a journey filled with lessons, transformation, and the ability to open your heart time and again. Good night, my friend. Sweet dreams.